Student, first we will calculate the distance traveled in first 5 seconds. The distance traveled in first 5 seconds. Okay, distance traveled. Student, this is the graph. Distance traveled first in 5 seconds. Okay, distance traveled first in 5 seconds, then 5 seconds here, and distance traveled here. Here will be the total. This is the rectangle. OA, this is A, OABD. Okay, OABD. Area of rectangle OABD. What area of rectangle? Area of rectangle OABD. Student, here is OD into OA. Clear? Area of rectangle what? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. That's why OD into AB. It means OD 5 into L 20. It means 100 meter per second. 100 meter. Okay, distance traveling as 100 meter. Okay, 5 seconds here, meter per second. Here 5 seconds. That's why 100 meter. Okay, distance traveled in first 5 seconds is equal to 100 meter. Okay, distance traveled 100 meter. Here 20, here 5. 5 into 20 is equal to 100 meter. Students, second part is that the distance traveled by car after the brakes are applied. Okay, distance traveled by the car after the brakes are applied. Distance traveled by second part. Distance traveled by the car after apply the brake. Then what? After apply the brake. Here is the you are applying the brake. Okay, applying the brake. Then distance traveled after applying the brakes. Here area of this is total area. Area of BCD. Area of triangle BCD. Okay, a part BDC. Area of triangle. Area of triangle BDC. Student, you know this is the point B, this is the point D, but this is 90 degree angle. Then area of 90 degree angle right angle triangle will be 1 by 2 base into height. That's why 1 by 2 DC into BD. Okay, area is equal to 1 by 2 DC into BD. DC into BD. Help DC into BD. DC is 13 minus 5, and here is 0 minus 20. If you will calculate the acceleration, then you will calculate this type value. Okay, but you will calculate only area. Area here 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. This is the length DC. This is the length DC. Okay, and DB here DB 20. Okay, then 1 by 2 13 minus 5 into 20. Okay, 13 minus 5 into 20. Students, then here is area, the second part 1 by 35 into 30 minus 5 into 20. It means 1 by 2 into 8 into 20. 2 4 is 8, and here 4 into 20 means 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter. Clear? Here will be 80 meter. Area covered after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it will be 80 meter. Clear? And next part is total distance covered. Understood, student? Distance covered by the car after applying the brakes. After applying the brakes, it will cover triangle BDC. Triangle BDC. This is right angle triangle. That's the area will be 1 by 2 base into height. It means DC into BD, and here 1 by 2 30 minus 5 L into 20. You will simplify it. Then 4 into 20 is equal to 80 meter. Okay. Third part is that. Students, third part is that total distance covered. Total distance covered. Total distance covered. It means area of rectangle. OABD. Area of rectangle. OABD plus area of triangle. This triangle BDC. Area of triangle BDC. Then area of rectangle. We have already calculated the area of rectangle OABD. It means 100 meter plus area of triangle BDC. Area of triangle BDC means 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter. Total distance covered 180 meter. Total distance covered 180 meter. Okay, student, fourth part is that. Fourth part is that given in the question, acceleration during the first 5 seconds. Acceleration during the first 5 seconds and last 8 seconds. Acceleration during first 5 seconds and in last 8 seconds. Clear? First 5 seconds and last 8 seconds. Students, acceleration in the first 5 seconds. Acceleration in the first 5 seconds means first 5 seconds. Its line AB is parallel to time axis. Okay. Here is AB means 20 meter per second speed. 1 second 20 meter speed. 2 second 20 meter speed. 3 second 20 meter speed. 20 meter per second speed. And 4 second 20 meter per second speed. 5 seconds. But if you will apply the brake, then its velocity will be 0. Here final velocity will be 0, and its velocity initial velocity is equal to 20 meter per second. Clear? That's why it is parallel means constant speed. Here is u 20 meter per second constant speed till the point. Now here is the point 5 seconds. Then at the point 5 seconds its speed 20 meter per second. After applying the brake at 5 seconds, its velocity will be 0. Then it will decrease. Decrease the velocity. Okay, and decrease then 15, 10 and last. Clear? Okay, then students, here is acceleration during first 5 seconds. Acceleration during first 5 seconds. Line AB is parallel slope is 0 such that its slope 0. Okay, it means its acceleration will be 0. Okay, its acceleration will be 0, then acceleration will be 0 here, such that acceleration in first 5 seconds acceleration is 0. Okay, acceleration 0 because it will parallel to time axis. It is parallel to time axis. That's why its acceleration 0. Because it has constant velocity. It has constant velocity 20 meter per second, 20 meter per second at each time. Okay, every point of the time, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, it will be constant velocity 20 meters. Otherwise, okay, if its velocity will increase, then it will move in upward direction. It will move in upward direction, but there is not a graph increasing velocity. That's why it has a parallel line of time axis. That's why it has a constant velocity. Okay. When velocity is constant, then acceleration is 0. Means acceleration means increase the velocity. In rate of increase the velocity is 0. No increase in the velocity. That's why its acceleration will be 0. Okay, acceleration will be 0 in first 5 seconds. After that, it will retarded. Retarded means acceleration means velocity decrease, rate of velocity decrease. That's why retardation. By the retardation. Clear? You will find out retardation in next 8 seconds. Okay? In next 8 seconds. Acceleration in the last 8 seconds. Clear? Acceleration in the last 8 seconds. Last 8 seconds. It means slope of line BC. Okay, slope of line BC. Okay, slope of line BC. Ready? Slope of line BC. Slope of line BC. Clear? That's why here will be DC and BD. Now, student, here the speed is 20 meter per second first. Okay, 20 meter per second constant. Then final velocity will be here 0. Okay, 0 to 20 means 0 minus 20. Final speed 0. Here is the final means here 0 and initial 20. Okay, because slope of the BC. That's why 0 minus 20. 0 minus 20 here. And here will be 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. Clear? Then here AB or BD here BD. Here BD. Okay. BD but represent here 0 minus 20. 0 minus 20. Clear? BD represent 0 minus 20. Okay. So line BD upon CD. Yes, here will be here 0 and here 20. Initial velocity 20 because it will increase the constant as constant velocity 20, and 0. Then decrease. Okay. Here will be 0, here 20, and here will be 0. Also, if you will assume that here is 20, here will be 0, it will apply the brake, and this velocity stop. Clear? Then final velocity 0. Here will be also reach the 30 seconds 0. Then 0 minus 20. 0 minus 20. 0 minus 20 meter per second upon time 30 minus 5. 8 seconds. 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5. Clear? 30 minus 5 seconds. Then here will be minus 20 upon 8. And its value will be minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 meter per second square. Meter per second. Clear? 2.5 meter per second square. The slope of the line BC, slope of the line BC, this one. Okay, BD upon CD. BD upon CD, 0 minus 20, where 13 minus 5. Clear? Understood? I hope all of you understood and prepared and solved next other questions. Okay? Okay. Thank you, students.